Hello guys, today I'm going to be doing this unboxing and review for the YOTON indoor camera. I'm going to be placing it in my office. So inside it comes with the indoor camera, comes with the USB cable, bracket, USB adapter, user manual, and the wall mounting kit. So open it up, show you guys. So this is the camera itself right here. This is the user manual. And then it comes with the USB-C right here. And then this is the adapter. And then this is the wall mount kit. Now I'm going to set it up and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. This is the app. Now I'm going to download it and I'm going to set the camera up with the app and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I connected my camera to an outlet. It comes with the USB-C, so I put the USB-C in the back. And there is a blue indicator that it is on. The camera is 360 degrees. You're going to see it start turning here. So let's try to find the camera on the app. So I'm going to press let's start. Allow. And I guess you got to sign in. So I'm going to sign in real quick and then I'll be back. So I did just log into the app. So the first screen, this is where it takes you. It says add your first device. So I'm going to press the plus sign. And then the camera automatically already comes up. So I'm going to press on it. It says 60 seconds, but it should take a little bit quicker. And the next thing it's going to ask you is to connect to the Wi-Fi. So I got to find my Wi-Fi and then I'm going to put in my password and connect to it real quick. So I did log in, as you guys can see. I connected to the Wi-Fi and everything. So right here you see all of your activities. So there was sound, there was motion. There is a little joystick right here. If you press this in the middle, and then you could control the camera. You could see, you could show the camera how it moves right. And then I could move it left with the joystick, up and down, which is really, really nice. You could take a screenshot. So if I press on this, it takes a screenshot. There you go. You can see that there was sound detected since I am talking. This is the mic. So if I press on this, I could talk through my phone. It'll come out the camera. Hello. As you can see, it comes out of the camera. And then this is sound. So if you don't want any sound, you could turn it off like that. If you make it full screen, the joystick will come right here on the right. As you can see, you can rotate it 180 degrees, however you want, up and down, which is really, really convenient. Overall, if you guys want a camera and that does the job, you can move it any way you want. You could talk through it. You could take screenshots. I would recommend this.